Guess what? Another day of racing. Decided to go out to Tulsa. It was supposed to be last weekend, but that was rained out. This weekend, you can tell it's so much better. So anyway, let's get in the truck here. Whoop. Get in the truck here and tell you what I'm gonna be doing out there. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. That's right. It's quite not done yet racing this year. As you can tell, the grass is starting to turn brown, so we definitely know it's fall time for sure. So anyway, I got another race I'm going to go to. It's Tulsa. It's a king of the track. It's a Wally at stake. Anyway, decided to go ahead and go out there, and I'm just doing one class today. I'm actually going to go in Super Pro today, not No E. So Tulsa's a good track, don't get me wrong. They just don't have a lot of cars, so it's gonna be hard to turn the car around between No E and Super Pro, unless they have a couple other classes that they're out there running I'm not aware of. If they do, I'll jump over on No E as well. But for right now, I'm going to concentrate strictly Super Pro because I might be going out for their Thanksgiving race. Haven't quite decided yet, but I'm 80%, 90%, I'm leaning that way right now. So anyway, so if I go out there for a Thanksgiving race, I might be doing just Super Pro out there as well. So anyway, let's go ahead and get on to the track, get down the road. And sorry guys, no Sonic stop today. Just don't have the time, and it's just not convenient on the way. So anyway, with that, let's get on to the track. Made it to the track. It doesn't take that long, 10 minutes or so, 15 tops. Let's get in line and pay the lady.
Wow, good morning from Mohan.
If you're not watching last week's video, might as well watch it now. I am. Hey, got all warmed up here. It's a little bit different without Pops being here. Have to do a lot more extra work. Anyway, now we got it all. I got it all warmed up and ready to go. Up there, the first round of qualifying. Like I said, I'm just doing Super Pro only today, so stay tuned for that. Okay, guys. Got both my qualifying runs done. First round red lighted by 007. I put 10 in the box, 001. Car slowed down the second pass, not sure why. So first pass 658, a little bit cooler, heated up a little bit. We're at 661, so I'll probably go ahead and put a 660 on it for the first round and see where I'm at with that. But hopefully it'll run its number and go from there. So I don't think it's going to run in the 50s today. I think its track is going to get way too warm for it. So other than that, here we go. First round coming up. Okay, first round of Super Pro. Got a 660 on it. So here we go. Okay, I got the wait and see buy. Here at Tulsa, you get a choice if you take it or not. Two people turned it down. I can understand why. So, but hey, I'll take it just to see. So maybe I'll get someone in the back didn't expect me or something. I don't know. So we'll go with that and see what happens. Okay, 12 red. I actually rolled 2 numbers into the box. So it's at 1022. It was 1020. 60 foot, 41. 330 slowed down. And of course that affected the 8th mile. So maybe it's just a little bit more oily on the track. I'm not sure. But I was not expecting it to slow down. So anyway, I'm gonna have to dial for that for the next round of Super Pro. Honestly, I thought it was gonna run a 60. So Ran a 61 the previous pass. I put a 60 on this one, so it's one off. So we'll probably put a 61 on the next pass. So if I don't tie, it'd be 62. Okay, I got a 661. Okay, second round of Super Pro. I got a 61 on it. I rolled 7 numbers in the box. Maybe I was too soon on the light, but I didn't want to take a chance, so I'm gonna roll some numbers in it. Hopefully that'll work. So just need a teen or double O, and we'll be going some rounds. Light to a 26. Man, slow down again. 63 with a 7. I'm not too sure what's going on. He slowed down as down 2. So we both didn't run the number. Margin of victory 0-0-4. That is some close racing. So I need to dial up next pass. Put a 62 on it for sure. So round 3, here we come. Okay, 663 Pro round 3 coming up. I got old Mr. Goss. Oh my God. Okay guys, wasn't meant to be. Third round blues. What can I say? It broke out. It was so strange. It was slowing down those 3 passes there. Still don't know why it's slowing down like that, and all of a sudden just picks up. Clouds came in, maybe put the sun, take that sun off the track, and just maybe got tighter. That's the only thing I could say. It was a very good warm day out here. When the sun was on the track, it got warm. So anyway, maybe that was the cause of it. I'm not really sure. It's the most inconsistent it's been all year. It's not because of the spinning. It was definitely, I mean, look at the 60 foots, it looked like it's spinning, but it didn't feel like it's spinning. So I think it was just oil on the track and stuff. It kind of comes up and just naturally gets a little bit slower until the sun goes away, gets heat off the track, then it picks right back up. So I was kind of chasing the dial. That round I was debating to put a 63 on it. I was gonna put a 62 or just leave it at a 61. I shouldn't throw a 63 at it. I should have kept it at a 62. Still would have broke out by 2, but I think Andrew broke out by 1. Reactions almost, I had a little bit better reaction than he did, but I still would have broke out. So anyway, with that, I am done with a round of, well, in fact, I think I'm actually done racing. Bracket rate, well, no, I'm probably going to be racing one more time this year, maybe. I'm kind of debating going back and forth. There we go. Might be out here for the Thanksgiving. That's 3 days of racing. If I do come out here, I'll probably enter in Super Pro only. It's a fairly economical race. It's like 300 or 3 1/4 in 3 days of racing. I think buyback's $100 a day. Anyway, with that, I'm done with this video. Link, you know, like it, share it, do what you want to. Do appreciate you guys watching it. And look, the sun just came out. So with that, I'm out of here until the next time.